unbox natin itong Ryobi Zeus HP 8000 series. Unbox natin guys. Natin talaga.
Guys, nahihirapan ako dito guys. Ang buti. Open.
A few moments later.
Ang pinapunta-punta to sa ako na. Ayan, ito. Guys. Ito yung may manual siya guys. May spinning manual siya guys. Included yung part list. Yung manual niya guys. Yung manual niya guys. Tara, tara tayo sa akin. Bubble wrap, tapos na ito talaga yung mabigat pala guys. Screw in pala to guys. Screw in. First time mo magkaroon ng screw in. Ito ba? Design and engineered by Japan. Pero made in China. Katawa. Para ko original. Pero may nakalagay. Design and made by Japan. Pero may nakalagay made in China. What? Ito yung handle. Spool. Oh, narinig nyo yun guys. Pure metal. Yung spool niya guys. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang may spool nito. Ito na siya ang tingin. Ito naman. Hindi ko alam kung carbon drag ba ito daw. Huwag na natin subukang i-open pero parang okay naman. Balik natin guys. Balik natin yung protein. Wow, smooth. Ayan. See? Smooth guys. Maganda yung handle na guys. Jigging. Jigging reel pala to guys. Good for jigging. Yung line capacity niya is 0.405 is 200 meters. 0.435 is 160 meters. So sa line niya. And gear ratio is 501. Ito guys. Ryobi Zeus HP full metal spool. Matibay ata. So abangan nyo sa next video natin guys. I-field test natin ito. Ayan lahat. Thank you and please subscribe to my channel.